Son was trying to update his gaming setup with his Christmas money, and this was one of his absolute first buys. This is during the day. This is at night. And here's the remote, which he has set in here. So it comes with that, the little base, so you can just set it on the table, or of course you could mount it for size, as that's an iPhone. Amazon's choice product with 1,000 people ordering this. KOSUMOSU 3D digital wall clock. By the way, if you're new here, hi, I'm Raphaela. Subscribe if you like honest product reviews about home and family Amazon finds. So I'm really trying to grow this channel to 1K by St. Patty's Day. Plus, we get to hang out together and be smart little cookies. 9.7 inches wide, 4 inches tall, and roughly an inch thick. It did come with the mounting hardware, but he didn't mount it that way. Or it just comes with this included little kickstand that you just place in here, and then you can just set it up on your desk like that. It can display military and civilian time. And I do love that you can also display not only the time, but you can have it rotate. There's a setting that you can turn on the remote where you can have it rotating between the day, the temperature, and the time. I think that's really cool. Plus, this is an alarm clock, which is wild to me. And you can hit the snooze button for 5 minutes on your alarm. So there's a lot of value packed into this little thing. You can dim the remote by low, medium, and high with the button on the remote. And it also self-adjusts to the ambient light in the room, which is really smart. It also does have a capacitor. So if this comes unplugged, like I just unplugged it from my son's desk, it will hold the time, the memory, for 2 hours. This is the box that the clock came in. I forgot. And there are multiple colors available. This, of course, is just the straight white. It is not cordless. It is a USB type connector, which does come with it. And he has it plugged into this giant fire hazard over here. I can't even see it, but... And it does have a capacitor built into it, so if you do happen to lose power, it will hold your time for 2 hours, because my son said it was kind of a pain in the you-know-what to get it all set up. I would say if you are looking for a modern clock to add to your living space or your office, this digital wall clock is an absolute steal at $18. I would say yes, absolutely 100% grab this. For the gamer or anybody in your life who likes a modern looking space, pretty much guarantee that they are going to fall in love with this gift. All right, that's a wrap. I'll see you smart little cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.